Okay, so you need to design sketch ideas. It's a huge, massive part of any design portfolio. This example shows the students picked at least 4 design ideas to do, and as you can see, all of them are in 3D. So it's really important that you become familiar and know how to do it properly and correctly. So first things first, we're going to start with something called a crate. Now, crates are basically just cubes, boxes. Now, some of you may have seen this being done before, but one way to start it is to do a diamond. So the diamond will be the top of your cube, your crate. Then you put in some, we just say like table legs, so you make it look like a table. The legs are all about the same size, so try to make sure that that is something that you consider when you're drawing your legs in. And then finally, you need a parallel line, which means 2 lines that never ever meet. Again, we're sketching it, so it is quite rough, but the idea is that these lines look parallel on the page. So just to repeat that in a little bit faster: diamond, table legs, parallel lines. And I'll do that with a wider diamond. So if I do the diamond really open, you get a better view from the top. Table legs on. That leg is much longer than that leg, so I can make sure that they join. And I put my parallel lines in as well. Now, another easier way, if you're struggling with that and you can't quite get it right, if you start with a V and then another V underneath it, then you can join those lines up and you can put the top in. So just to repeat that, we've got a V, another V, join them up with the vertical lines and then put the top on. If you're still struggling, another way you could do is draw yourself a cross. Now it's got a short vertical, a long horizontal, and then you can join that up. Now that will give you the diamond shape. Now just go around that just there with a slightly thicker pen just so you can see it. So that is the diamond that I started with at the top there. Table legs, and then you're back to the original method. Just as sometimes that cross that you put on at the beginning might help you a little slightly. If you want to use a pencil for the cross, nice and lightly, try and make it as light as you possibly can. You use your pen or your pencil to draw the diamond, table legs. Now you'll notice the size of the table legs, the length of them will change the shape and the angle of your box. So longer vertical lines would give you a better view of the top. Longer legs will give you more of a focus on the sides. And then if your parallel lines aren't right at the bottom, then obviously that might change the view. So if I do this one wrong, so my table legs are the wrong length, sometimes it looks a little bit wonky. So you might need to be careful that your table legs are actually the right size. So you just keep practicing those over and over and over again until you get it, so that you can draw those really simply.